जय श्री माता जी। दिवाली का पर्व शुरू हो गया है। हम सभी के लिए यह एक आनंद का पर्व है। आज धनतेरस। धनतेरस का महत्व क्या है? धनतेरस आज के दिन श्री माता जी को श्री धन्वंतरी स्वरूप और श्री गृहलक्ष्मी स्वरूप में ध्याया जाता है। श्री धन्वंतरी स्वरूप हमें निरामय एवं स्वास्थ्यपूर्ण जीवन प्रदान करता है। श्री गृहलक्ष्मी स्वरूप हमें आत्मधन, संतुष्टता एवं समाधान प्रदान करता है। तो ऐसे इस पावन पर्व पर हम श्री माता जी को हृदय से वंदन करते हैं और कुंडलिनी चढ़ाकर बंधन लेते हैं। 3 महामंत्र, उसके पश्चात श्री गणेश मंत्र। जय श्री माता जी। संतुलन के लिए हम अपने दोनों हाथ पृथ्वी माँ पर रखते हैं। हृदय से प्रार्थना करेंगे। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हमारे सभी चक्र नाड़ियाँ आपके श्री चरणों में समर्पित है। कृपावंत होकर हमें पूर्ण संतुलन प्रदान करें। संपूर्ण अटेंशन मूलाधार पर केंद्रित करते हैं। यहाँ हम श्री गौरी कुंडलिनी माता साक्षात मंत्र लेंगे।
त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री गौरी कुंडलिनी माता साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः।
प्रार्थना करते हैं, परम पूज्य श्री माता जी कृपावंत होकर हमारे सभी चक्र और नाड़ियों में स्थित सभी अशुद्धता और असंतुलन को इस भूमि तत्व में अवशोषित कर हमें पूर्ण संतुलन प्रदान करें। दोनों हाथ गोद में रखते हैं। संपूर्ण अटेंशन सहस्त्रार में केंद्रित करेंगे। कुछ समय ध्यान की अवस्था में रहेंगे और संपूर्ण संतुलन का अनुभव करेंगे।
Just enjoy yourself and have faith in yourself and work it out. I'm sure very soon it will happen. Very quickly it will happen. It is your desire. Also, your method of working it out, your anxiety to work it out. Main anxiety should be, how can I transform this person? You can transform anyone. You tell one person, another person follows it. Like when we came in the plane, I found at the airport so many people had put up their hands towards me. I said, who are these people? They were not Sojogis. They had seen somebody, or what had happened, I couldn't ask them. But all of them said, we are feeling the cool breeze. They didn't know anything about it. They didn't know about Kundalini, nothing. So what is this cool coming in? That basically they are there to get their realization. Only we have to extend our ideas. We have to extend our love to them. Instead of getting annoyed with them, better is to give them a chance. And you will be amazed that they are very anxious to get transformed. They are all fed up. with all the artificial things they are having. It's over now. You will be amazed how many are waiting there for you to give them self-realization and let them celebrate their Diwali with you. Enjoy Diwali. Diwali you cannot celebrate with one candle. You have to have more and more of candles. And that's what is your job. Only by your own candle you are going to do it. It's your own. And it can enlighten anyone. Then why not use it? At any cost, at any place. I have met some Sahajogis. I asked them, what did you do? He said, no, nothing. Nothing, you did nothing. No, nothing. Then, what's the use of getting realization? If you have done nothing, you don't want to give realization to anyone, don't want to talk to anyone, you feel so shy about it. Then I met some who said, just now, Mother, we are coming from a program. Achha. How are you so late? Because they told us there's some bombs there. So you were waiting outside? Yes. How many? All of us. Thousands were waiting. There was no bomb. They said there's no bomb. So we went inside and we all got realization. But you were realized souls. No, we had a realization that sometimes we have to wait. And now we are convinced that nobody can harm us. Nobody can trouble us, overpower us. Only we do it to ourselves. So, again I will say introspection is very, very important in Sahaja Yoga. When the light inside is there, you have to look after it. I was extremely happy to hear from many people that they felt the blessings of Diwali. But you see, yesterday you had these showers. How timely they were. Never happened. In the history of this world, never happened. Why yesterday? These showers came in and tried to give a new experience of the showers. All this is a time, we should say, that even the nature knows, and we should also know that this is the time for a special thing. Normally I get letters about people who are sick and their parents are sick or this is sick, all kinds of things. Then somebody's marriage is broken, then somebody has children, they are sick. I mean, all kinds of nonsensical problems they do it. The reason is they themselves, those who write, are not realized so. Or maybe they are halfway. Because they could themselves say that why should we write to Mother? We can get it done ourselves. Instead of that, one has to write what they have achieved, how they have achieved friends, how they have got love from others, how they have worked out Sahaja Yoga in small villages. All this is much better to write than to write, my mother is sick, my father is sick. All these relationships, they go on killing you. So no more is your brother, nobody is your sister. Only Sahaja Yogis are your brothers and sisters. Now you have some cousin and his cousin's cousin, and so let it be. That's not your job. You don't have to work it out. Even before coming, I got letters like that. Somebody, cousin, this thing. So I asked this lady, I said, why do you write all these things all the time about this cousin and that cousin? She says, Mother, I'm trying to spread Sahaja Yoga. How? Because if they'll be cured, then they'll come to Sahaja Yoga. This is not the way we want to spread Sahaja Yoga. This looks like advertising or something, speciality, that if you cure somebody, then some people will come to Sahaja Yoga. We just don't want such people to come. I don't want to hurt, but I want to give you courage and understanding and the wisdom. Why are we Sahaja Yogis here? Just to cure all the relations of ours. They may be sick because of some mistakes they have committed. Instead of paying attention to all these such people, you should pay attention to yourself and to your ascent. You have to respect yourself. If you are their relation, it's none of your business. Like understanding, wisdom, that we have come here for a very, very special work of very high quality. That is not there. Then all such people write to me. Now one lady got married in Sahaja Yoga, and she wrote to me that I was divorced about 8 months back or 9 months back, whatever. And all my relations are now saying, why did you marry in Sahaja Yoga? And everybody is criticizing me and Sahaja Yoga. I said, who asked her to marry? I never asked her. So now the marriage has become the main point for her. That all my family people are saying, what did they do for Sahaja Yoga? If this marriage doesn't become all right, then they will say there's something wrong with Sahaja Yoga. Let them say. We have not committed. Every time I've told you that don't write to me for your mother, father, this, that. If you don't know how to cure them, better give up Sahaja Yoga. You yourself can cure them. You can work it out yourself. But if you see so many letters every day for me, I ask them, is your father in Sahaja Yoga? No. Mother? No. Brother? No. Nobody. So, why are you asking me what relationship I have with them? They are not Sahaja Yogis. I am only responsible for Sahaja Yogis. They are not Sahaja Yogis. So why do you want to trouble me? It is impossible to understand. In Sahaja Yoga, you are supposed to get self-realization, all right? Then, those who want to have self-realization, you can give them and fix them properly. But instead of somebody who is hanging in the air and who is falling from the airport to some other place, all kinds of things. All this is really maddening and is sickening. I am not concerned. You should not be concerned also. What you should do is to see that these people who are talking about it should come to Sahaja Yoga. And you must tell them, because you are not doing Sahaja Yoga, that's why it is like that. Or that person is not doing Sahaja Yoga, that's why this the problem is. We are all right, we are happy. Because Sahaja Yoga is an open thing. So everybody comes there. I would request you on a Diwali day to promise to yourself, I will not waste my energy on people who are not Sahaja Yogis. is very important. Because all the time the attention is on wrong thing. And on wrong basis. If you have some intelligence, you must know that now you belong to a very high quality spiritual people, which are very few. In this world, there are very few. And you must make a concentrated effort to see that this quality must be in so many people. And there must be lots of aspiration. Find out such people. Tell them, you have found it, you can also get it. But don't worry about things which are of no value to us. You must know you are a special race. You are special soldiers who have been trained for doing surge work only. So wasting energy on your relations and brothers and sisters is no good for you. It is to be understood now that you have your own energy reserved. For what? For Surge Yogis. You should help everyone who is a Surge Yogi or who wants to become a Surge Yogi. Who are established Surge Yogis, you must help them. Because we are one personality. And these are all the different hands of one personality, one God. So, this oneness must be established within yourself, and also others should see that oneness in you. There are some people who are very active. There are some people who are very active in criticizing. All that will work out, I am sure, because this is the year of great achievements and great success. But with that, if you start doing something nonsensical, nothing will work out. Of course, I don't say that we haven't got such Surge Yogis with us. We have. We have all the soldiers with us, no doubt. All the armament they have, everything they have. But we need more. And for that, we have to work out collectively. Must plan. What should we do? Recently, there has been a big argument about the Islamic behavior of people. We are neither Christians nor Islamic nor anything. We are not. Because you cannot put yourself into a small arena saying, I am a Surge Yogi but I am a Christian. You cannot be. You have to give up that margin. You are a Surge Yogi out and out. And all the other nonsensical things are not belonging to you. I have seen many Muslims also who come to Surge Yoga. But out of them, very few are real Surge Yogis. But they'll come, listen to my lecture, this, that. But very few are really Surge Yogis in the real sense of the word. Then you will start seeing the defects of your community, of so-called religion you belong to, what you will see. And you will definitely try to correct it if you love them. Or you give up. These are special people, specially selected for a very special cause. And you cannot waste your energy on small nonsensical things. That is one thing you should know. On this Diwali day, you have to know that you have to burn yourself for the light of the divine to absolutely spread all over. But don't do it too much. Like some people came and told me, Mother, we have given up our parents, we have given up this, we have given up that. Still we are not good. So I said, why should you give up? You are catching on to something, then you are giving up. Or automatically it's just finished. We were, you see, very much attached to our family, parents, country, this, that. And now we have given up some, but some. Such half-baked people are no good. And don't pay too much attention to them. They don't deserve any attention. That is very much to be understood. That you should not be also like that. Nor you should have friends like that. Nor you should make them Sahajogis. Sahajogi is a special character of a soldier who fights for the truth. That kind of a personality, when you will have, there will be lights all over. This Diwali day, I bless you all from my heart. And I want you to respect yourself and understand what is the position of your being in this organization, we can call, or in this movement of Sahaja. And how are we working it out? The attention should move from all these nonsensical, mundane things to yourself. It should be a very dynamic force that should work out. And I'm sure next year it would be very different. We'll have all the beautiful blessings of the divine. We must do it collectively, understanding. May God bless you.
आरती की तैयारी करेंगे। आरती के लिए खड़े होते हैं।
सबको दुआ देना,
सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ।
सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना,
सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ। सबको दुआ देना।
जग में संकट कारण
कितने लिए
अवतार, माँ कितने लिए अवतार। विश्व में तेरी महिमा, विश्व में तेरी महिमा, तू गंगा यमुना माँ। सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ।
सबको दुआ देना।
जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ। सबको दुआ देना। जो भी शरण में आया सुख ही मिला उसको माँ, सुख ही मिला उसको। बैठ के दिल में ओ माँ, बैठ के दिल में ओ माँ, लौट के ना जाना माँ। सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ। सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ। सबको दुआ देना। मानव में अवतर के कर दिया उजियाला माँ, कर दिया उजियाला। कलियुग में माया है, कलियुग में माया है, फिर भी पहचाना माँ। सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ। सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ। सबको दुआ देना। संत जनों की धरती है भारत माता, माँ है भारत माता। इस धरती पर आकर, इस धरती पर आकर, दुख से दूर करना माँ। सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना माँ। सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना माँ। सबको दुआ देना। जब दिल में आए तब मधु संगीत सुन लो
मधु संगीत सुन लो, हो सके जो सेवा, हो सके जो सेवा हमसे करा लेना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना। जय निर्मल माता जी, जय निर्मल माता जी, दिल में सदा रहना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना, माँ सबको दुआ देना।
जय श्री माता जी। दोनों हाथ जोड़कर हम श्री माता जी के चरणों में प्रार्थना अर्पित करते हैं। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, धनतेरस के इस पावन अवसर पर आपने हम सभी सहयोगी भाई बहनों से चैतन्य रूपी आशीर्वाद प्रदान किए, इसलिए माँ हम सभी आपके कोटि कोटि ऋणी हैं, कोटि कोटि ऋणी हैं। श्री माता जी, आपके धन्वंतरी स्वरूप की कृपा हम सभी पे सदैव बनी रहे और हम सभी को निरामय सुदृढ़ जीवन प्राप्त हो। श्री माता जी, आपके श्री गृहलक्ष्मी स्वरूप की भी सदैव कृपा हम पर बनी रहे। आपके आशीर्वाद स्वरूप हम सभी सहयोगी भाई बहनों का परिवार की गतिविधि में और भौतिकता में फंसा हुआ अतिरिक्त चित्त सहज कार्य में लगे और वह फलित हो जाए। श्री माता जी, कृपावंत होकर आपकी कृपा में हम सभी सहयोगी भाई बहन सदैव हमारे आध्यात्मिक उत्थान की ओर अग्रसर रहे और आपको अभिप्रेत ऐसा सहयोगी बनने की हम सदैव सदैव प्रयास करते रहें। श्री माता जी, कृपावंत होकर हमारी सभी प्रार्थनाओं का स्वीकार करें और हमें आशीर्वादित करने की कृपा करें। श्री माता जी को हम सभी सहयोगी भाई बहन इस दिवाली पर्व की विनम्रतापूर्वक शुभकामनाएं देते हैं। हैप्पी दिवाली श्री माता जी, हैप्पी दिवाली। सामूहिक बंधन लेंगे।
साक्षात लक्ष्मी की प्रतिमा से लागे, ओ भोले तुम्हारी वीणा से लागे, युग के जगाए वो तुम्हारे निर्मल माँ, वो बड़ी भोली सी प्यारे से हमारी निर्मल माँ, ममता मई साक्षात लक्ष्मी की प्रतिमा से लागे। साधक जनों की साधना होती है, आराधकों की आराधना होती है, करे वो धन्य स्वरूपा है। नव चेतना से भरे चैतन्य स्वरूपा है। आध्यात्मिक दिव्य ज्योति दर्शन से तृप्ति होती। आध्यात्मिक दिव्य ज्योति दर्शन से तृप्ति होती। उपमा से लागे शोभा बढ़ाने को पधारी निर्मल माँ, वो बड़ी भोली सी प्यारी सी हमारी निर्मल माँ। ममता भरी माँ दुर्गा सी लागे साक्षात लक्ष्मी की प्रतिमा से लागे। भटके हुए जग को नैया दिखाई है। धर्मांधता सारी माताएं मिटाई है। द्वारे पे जो भी आए रिद्धि पाए सिद्धि पाए। द्वारे पे जो भी आए रिद्धि पाए सिद्धि पाए। ओ भव सागर में नैया सी लागे मुक्ति दिलाने को पधारी निर्मल माँ, वो बड़ी भोली सी प्यारी सी हमारी निर्मल माँ। ममता मई माँ दुर्गा सी लागे साक्षात लक्ष्मी की प्रतिमा सी लागे। वो भोली तुम्हारी वीणा सी लागे युक्ति जगाने को पधारी निर्मल माँ, वो बड़ी भोली सी प्यारी सी हमारी निर्मल माँ। वो बड़ी भोली सी प्यारी सी हमारी निर्मल माँ। वो बड़ी भोली सी प्यारी सी हमारी निर्मल माँ। वंदित सुंदरी माधवी चंद्र सहोदरी हेममयी मुनि गण वंदित मोक्ष प्रदायी मंजुल भाषिणी वेदनुते पंकजवासिनी देव सुपूजित सद्गुणवर्षिणि शान्तियुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी आदिलक्ष्मी सदा पालय माम्। नाशिनी कामिनी वैदिकरूपिणी वेदमये क्षीरसमोभव मङ्गलरूपिणी मन्त्रनिवासिनि मन्त्रनुते मङ्गलदायिनि अम्बुजवासिनि देवगणाश्रित पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी धान्यलक्ष्मी सदा पालय माम् जय वरवरजिनि वैष्णवी भार्गवी मन्त्रस्वरूपिणि मन्त्रमये सुरगणपूजित शीघ्रफलप्रद ज्ञानविकासिनि शास्त्ररूपे भवभयहारिणि पापविमोचनि साधुजनाश्रित पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी वैरलक्ष्मी सदा पालय माम् जय जय दुर्गति नाशिनी कामिनी सर्वफलप्रद शास्त्रमये रथगज तुरग पदाति समावृत परिजन मण्डित लोकनुते हरिहर ब्रह्म सुपूजित सेवित पाप निवारिणि पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी गजलक्ष्मी रूपेण पालय माम् अयि खगवाहिनि मोहिनि चक्रिणि रामविवर्धिनि ज्ञानमये गुणगणवारिणि लोकहितैषिणि स्वरसप्तभूषितदाननुते सकल सुरासुर देव मुनीश्वर मानव वन्दित पादयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी सन्तानलक्ष्मी त्वं पालय माम् जय कमलासिनि सद्गतिदायि ज्ञानविकासिनि गानमये अनुदिनमर्चित कुङ्कुमचन्दन भूषितवासित भाग्यनुते कनकधरास्तुति वैभव वन्दित शङ्कर देशिक मान्यपदे जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी विजयलक्ष्मी सदा पालय माम् प्रणत सुरेश्वरि भारति भार्गवी शोकविनाशिनि रत्नमये मणिमयभूषित कर्णविभूषण शान्ति समावृत हास्यमुखे नवनिधिदायिनि कलिमलहारिणि कामितफलप्रद हस्तयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी विद्यालक्ष्मी सदा पालय माम् धिमि धिमि धिं धिम धिं धिम धुम 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 शंख निनाद सुवाद्यते वेद पुराण इतिहास सुपूजित वैदिक मार्ग प्रदर्शयुते जय जय हे मधुसूदन कामिनी धनलक्ष्मी रूपेण पालय मां विद्यालक्ष्मी सदा पालय मां विजयलक्ष्मी सदा पालय मां संतानलक्ष्मी त्वं पालय मां गजलक्ष्मी रूपेण पालय मां धैर्यलक्ष्मी सदा पालय मां धान्यलक्ष्मी सदा पालय